When our stock price goes down, that doesn't make me not sleep at night. When there's a new competitor, that doesn't make me not sleep at night. If there's an issue on my team and there isn't good cohesion, then I'm not sleeping well until I resolve that.
So true for us and our business, as now we've scaled our team members to about 40 full-time folks. And you know what? It is the issues that you have with your team members or the issues that they have with one another that really press you, right, and cause you stress, which is why we highly encourage you that you hire on culture. What does that mean? It means that before you put that person on your team, help them understand what the core values are that you hold highly, and then as the leader, you have to hold your team members to those values. In other words, if a team member is high performing, but they're not part of the values of your company, it means you have to let them go. And if you don't, you absolutely will lose sleep over it.